Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and pairing because low battery or multiple connections often causes pauses. First, check the Airpods and case charge level. If under 20%, charge for 10-15 minutes. Next, open Bluetooth on your device and confirm the exact Airpods model is connected. Once done, disconnect other nearby Bluetooth audio devices to prevent handoff interruptions. These steps eliminate the simplest causes, so you can move on to settings and sensors with confidence. Once connected, inspect the proximity sensors. Toggle automatic ear detection off and on to reset the sensor state, then test playback. Dirty sensors can misreport removal. Make sure the playing app has required permissions and isn't being background limited. Adjust background refresh and battery settings if needed. Also verify your phone or computer OS is current because firmware updates for Airpods are delivered via the host device. Updating both often resolves intermittent pausing linked to compatibility issues. To finish, perform a factory reset. Place Airpods in the case, hold the setup button until the status light flashes amber then white, and repair. After resetting, test playback on a second device to determine whether the issue is the Airpods themselves or the original device. If pausing continues, gently clean the sensor and speaker mesh with a soft, dry brush and retry. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple devices pause, it's likely a hardware or firmware problem. Contact support for repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.